Thane driving this time? Alright, let's see how he does. Ooh, that's a bit close to the end.
It's a bit close when I say it's a bit close.
Alright, let's see what we got. Oop, can watch out for that tank over there.
Yeah, hey, bitch.
Oop, fucking hell.
What was that?
Whoop! Oh, bro, that was that was close to the ground. Whoa! Bro, up, bro. Oh.
I got killed by the heli. I was trying to get it ripped up. I didn't realize we're actually being chased.
Oh yes, we're gonna get him. He just already did his flares. Yeah. Can you shoot him a little bit for me, Thane? You should be able to get the kill.
Best, bro. He's going down. He's bailed. It's down.
We got the vehicle anyway.
Oh. Oh, this looks a nice driving, bro. Looks like plenty of fun in there.
Oh, couldn't quite get him.
Yeah, I just need a little bit more. Ooh, hello. That was some shit driving, bro. Hold on.
I watched a few videos.
Watched a few videos, is what I thought.
Just like, I do what I do.
I do what I do. I do what I do. Oh, can he pull it off again? That was nice. That was nice.
No, the tank's fucking looking at us. We're not sticking around for the tank looking at us, staring us down with the barrel. Nope, shit, we're getting some heavy contact. That guy right there. Oh, you get him? Yes.
Yep. Got him. Do you want to pop it down? I can rev you up.
I'm actually trying to look for this fucking helicopter guy. Get out!
It's a jet. It's a jet. It's a jet.
As long as we don't get back in it, he shouldn't be able to see us on his love radar. So we should be fine.
Getting it wrapped up.
Nice, nice.
And she's ready to go.
Woo! Let's rock back in. Ah, fucking run!
Oh!
Oh! As soon as we got back in.
Was working, bro. How do you use the heat seekers, bro?
You just press 2, and then it should swap over. And then you just have to lock onto them, it'll go bleep bleep bleep, and then I'll get a solid red box, and then you'll be fine. Oop, he's right above us! He's right above us!
I have no idea where anybody is, I'm just flying back. Going up.
Cause you better get this party started. Thane, don't kill us! Don't kill us! Thane! I like my kill to death ratio at the moment. I got Gunner again. Let's see how Thane does again.
Okay, next to us, yeah.
Alright. Oop, there's a helicopter right up above us. You seen him? Nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. Fuck, bro, that was close. Oh no, they both bailed.
Fuck.
You don't escape from Sean and Thane. Come on. No. Don't set on fire, Please don't set on fire.
What's up, bro?
Yes! Awesome! Hey, Thane! Who's in that helicopter against you? Oh, man.
You're in the heli?
I love having both helis. It's fucking awesome. You just rain down fucking mayhem. Yes! Focus on the tank, Thane. Focus on the tank.
I'm trying to focus on the tank.
Oh, we vehicle disabled.
Nearly crashed into you.
Nope, balls. Ah, Thane, this isn't ending so well. I'll spawn on you. Whoa!
I got him.
You get him. Oh, nice,
Yeah, I
bro.
got him.
That was awesome.
That was cool.
Having both fucking thingy-boys at the same time. Ooh. Where the fuck is he? I can't really see him now. Alright. Ooh. I was about to say. Got him.
Okay.
Ooh, fucking hell, there's a lot of explosions near the tower. We got a lock from somewhere.
Yeah.
The helicopter, I think.
I think it's the
Yeah,
heli.
it's coming in behind us. Yeah, he's just behind us. Ooh, very close to shooting us a lot of times. Ooh. Alright, we're right in his ass now, we should be good. Oh!
Ah, AA.
Man,
No.
that AA guy is good. I'm already in the helicopter, yes.
There's... You're in the heli. Oh, no.
I know. I jumped out my thingy boy to get into the helicopter. We're all good.
Right, we've got to go for that AA. It's
Okay.
right next to a tank. By the A. We're
Alright.
gonna have to... I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get on.
Alright, we'll be fine getting up there.
Nice, bro. That is... What we at? 3 feet?
We're doing alright.
We're skimming.
Yep! Bit too much!
We're actually on the ground, George.
I know,
That
I know!
was too close.
Sorry. No,
Oh, there he is, there he is. Have he spotted us? I don't know. I'm gonna wait till he's too close and then fucking unleash hell.
oh, please fucking kill him. Come on. Oh, don't let the tank see us as well. Yes! Awesome.
Fuck you,
We took out fucking AA and he only got us to 78%.
I know,
Pussy.
what a noob.
Puss.
You okay? Here he comes.
You got it? Awesome.
Yep. There's a heli coming in to our left. Yes.
Nice.
Whoa, that was a lot of kills. Did you just see? When
Yeah.
we destroyed explosives as well? You wanna set it down somewhere, bro? We're taking a lot of heat.
Yeah, taking a bit of heat, yeah. We'll go over somewhere now, over here. And we'll both jump out and then they won't recognize us on the radio. Yeah, I know. I've had better landings. Oh, I thought that was pretty good.
Okay.
Mr. Thane's driving. Alright, let's roll up. They've got out their helicopter now as well. No, that's just passenger one.
Where's that, bro?
It's right over there.
Oh, there it is. Wait till he pops the flares.
No, he just bailed. Ooh, I still got somebody.
Very good.
Woohoo!
Nice, bro.
Fucking
gonna
hell, I got
drop this
loads
back.
of points for that.